free up more than 10 GB of storage space just by using this simple trick. The first thing that you want to do here on your search bar, you want to type in disk. Once you do that, you just want to click open. When you open, you should get a dialog which looks like this, and here you can select the drive that you want to do this on. For me, it's a C drive. You just want to also stick with the C drive and click OK. Once you do that, you should get another dialog which looks like this, and from here you want to click clean up system files also, and that should again bring you back to the same dialog, and you can click OK. So now from here, once that happens, as you can see, it should start calculating and looking for all the files that you can remove. You just need to give it some time, depending if you've ever done this before or not. So as you can see from here, there's a lot of things that it has ticked, and you can see this Windows Update Cleanup. As you can see, that's 5.5 GB of space that it's using, and we do not need it. And as you can see, from this action alone, I'm going to free up 6 GB, but I've done this before. For you, it might be even 20 GB. So here, you just want to scroll through and you can see what you want to remove. Then once you're happy with everything, you can click OK. So this will tell you to remove all these files. So you want to make sure in your recycle bin, there's nothing that you need. Otherwise, you can click delete and you should see this dialog here. So once this completes, you should have more than 20 or 30 GB free storage. If you did run this before, it might be lower.